At TCCI, performance and durability count. We've proven our commitment to delivering products that stand up to the demands of the road. With multiple certifications in automotive quality standards and Six Sigma lean manufacturing principles. TCCI utilizes an optimized blend of manual labor and automation to create low-cost, high-quality manufacturing. The combination of skilled labor and an automated critical process provides a check and balance system throughout the line.
Our highly skilled staff and operators go through rigorous training to optimize efficiency and process knowledge. Continuous improvement is part of our business structure that allows for high quality products at a much lower cost than our competitors.
Quality at TCCI that equals performance and durability. Before the compressors leave the warehouse, over 100 quality checks are performed throughout the entire process. From the performance of the product to the grains of the material, no detail is left untouched.
At TCCI, we strive to meet the customer at every point, from design to durability and delivery. Our logistics and warehouse structure operates at optimal efficiency and allows us to expedite delivery. From material resource planning to outgoing product flow, our global operation is designed to deliver on our promise.
TCCI, performance and durability count.